Good morning and happy Monday. We're really towards the end here. We have 2 weeks left, about 10 days. So we're probably going to have maybe one, maybe two quizzes left. Probably aren't going to have time for a test, but that's okay. One quiz over volume. We'll have that later, probably Thursday or Friday this week, and then we'll have one at the very end of next week over circle. One little thing we're going to learn about circles. So for volume, we're just going to practice today. Sorry, I'm not going to the slide, and I'm not really going to have a long video at all. The only thing I wanted to say on this video was to show you the answers. Those of you who turned it in, everybody got everything right except for one problem. So I really feel like y'all can find your mistakes if you made any. I'm so happy with the pyramids. Now, some of you accidentally called them prisms. So make sure you understand that a triangular prism does not come to a point. It's like a triangular prism is like, I should have pulled this up. A triangular prism is like a pizza box that you get one slice of pizza in at the mall. It's like a triangle, but then it has height to it. Or the kid's toy that you put in that looks like a triangle that you put in the like slot that's a triangle. That's a triangular prism. A triangular prism does not come to a point, okay? We're not really going to do those because they're not in our standard or not on the formula sheet. I've taught them before, but I kind of took them out here. So what we're looking at are pyramids, okay? So they come to a point. So you can see like in this problem here, number 2, it comes to a point right here. And then in number 6, it comes to a point right there. Okay, so these are pyramids as opposed to prisms. The only prism we'll do is like number 3, a rectangular prism. Okay? Y'all did so great with the big B, the capital B. So first of all, notice I did big B first, and then I plugged that number into the formula. Okay, so because it was a triangular base, here's our triangle. I had to do 1/2 base times height, which is the 1/2, then the 12, then the 10, and then I plugged that into big B, and then I did 1/3 big B times 17, which was the height of the actual pyramid. Okay, and then the same thing I did down here. This one's easier in my opinion because it's a rectangular base. So you just have to do length times width, which is 9 times 10. Then I plugged that 90 into the formula. Okay, and then for the sphere, I think we did okay with that. Just make sure you are typing it in correctly. And that one should have a pi, but 2 and 6 should not have a pi because it's not related to circles at all. So notice, just if you kind of look at putting everything together from Thursday and Friday, 1 has pi in it, 4 has pi in it, and 5 has pi in it, and that's because they all have like a circular base or dealing with a circle of some sort. Okay? All right, so today I'm really going to give you little instruction because we're just going to practice putting it all together, but I wanted to kind of put this on the screen one more time. Here are your formulas. Remember, the only formula that is not on here is the rectangular prism, which is just if I can spell, rectangular prism is length times width times height. Okay, so I'm going to put up a practice worksheet that's I think 10 or 12 problems, and you're just going to use these formulas and try to do one of each shape or maybe 2 of each shape. So you're going to leave pi in the answer and when it's appropriate, and then don't forget to put your units. And then I'll go over in the video tomorrow, I'll go over any that were missed, more than once or something like that. Okay, so good luck today, just a practice day, putting everything together, and then tomorrow we'll kind of extend it a little bit further. All right, y'all have a great day.